Yo, what is going on, guys? Prevised here, back with another video. So back in 2017, I started creating a Spider-Man physics game, and filtering enabled was off on this game, and a lot of you seem to enjoy it. And I have created a video, as you can see, back in 2017 again. This is whenever I started scripting the game, and once this game, which is right here, hits 70 likes, the code was going to be given away. So I gave away the code. Code was given away right here, actually. But remember, this wasn't filtering enabled, so I am bringing you a filtering enabled Spider-Man physics Roblox game just to give away all the code. But there's a few steps. So what you want to do is in your game, inside of WORKSPACE, you're going to make a folder called attachment parts and make sure it is spelled the exact same way as it is as mine. Inside of replicated storage, you're going to want to add all these remote events. So just to do that, if you have no idea, right click on replicated storage, insert object, and remote event. You could just type it up right here and just rename them to add force, climb down web, and so forth. Inside of server scripts, you're going to want to make a script called stats. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give away all this code. Inside the description, there's going to be a Pastebin link. Make sure to click on that, and I will give you all this code. This is for your server script. Now, in starter GUI, you're going to have a main GUI. Now, this I will make as a ROBLOX model, so y'all can be sure to go down in the description and copy you that model. Next, we have starter player. Open up starter character scripts. Insert a local script, and you're going to name this physics. So this physics local script is just going to be detecting whether you press Q, E, or as you can see right here, Q, E, or if you, you know what? Yeah, that should be it, or F, but I'm not going to be giving away F because F is just something that I'm kind of playing around with, and it's really not fully functional at the moment. Next, we got the local script speed handler. Okay. So this right here, this is just going to basically just show right here as some text the speed that you are going. Nothing too complicated, but yeah, that is about it. So these two local scripts will also be in a Pastebin link, so be sure to check in the description to grab you that. If y'all would like to try out this game, just check in the description and I'll have a link for y'all. Thank y'all for watching.